this staircase,
and this kitchen, and these ceiling heights
all come together to create one of the most stunning tours in Horseshoe Valley you're gonna see this year. Stay tuned because we got all that and more all in today's episode.
So Scott, today we find ourselves out in Horseshoe Highlands, and this area is the perfect combination of relaxation and recreation.
I couldn't agree more. I'm more relaxed just walking down the street out here. Now let's start with the recreation component of Horseshoe Valley. We've got Horseshoe Valley Resort, just a hop, skip, and a jump from our newest listing. This is a 4-season playground for recreation. Of course, in the winter months, downhill skiing, snow tubing, right at your fingertips. And then in the summer months, this is one that not everybody knows about, downhill biking. You've got Lake Horseshoe, their very own man-made lake that allows you to hit the beach right at Horseshoe Resort. And to round it all out, we've got restaurants, entertainment, and bars right in that same location as well. Now I'm exhausted just talking about all the recreation. And then as we move over to the relaxation side of it, we've got the newly constructed Vetta Spa, truly a sensational facility. Everything from saunas, steam rooms, another great restaurant. It's a facility you have to see to believe. And then of course, it's the nature all around us. We are surrounded by Copeland Forest, miles and miles of hiking, biking, and walking trails that is ideal for that relaxation side of it. And then the location itself, we're located directly between Orillia and Barrie, which means we're 20 minutes from all your daily amenities and all the major transportation routes.
Well, Scott, you really sold me on the location. Let's take a minute to talk about the house. This house is a bungaloft design, which you don't see very often, and is the best of both worlds. It's got a bungalow style living on the main floor, so you have a primary retreat and a full laundry room on the main floor, but the added bonus of having an upper level with 2 bedrooms and a full bath. So whether it's kids or overnight guests, you've got room for everybody. Let's head inside and take a closer look.
Welcome inside 14 Oakmont. Now with nearly 2,400 square feet above grade here, each and every space of this home is generous in size, and you feel it from the moment you walk through those double doors into this beautiful entryway. You've got updated tile and hardwood flooring throughout the entire main floor. It spills over into this incredible living and dining room space, coffered ceiling, wainscoting, designer light fixtures. This has design elements in every single room. Come see for yourself.
Who wouldn't want to spend time in this gorgeous designer kitchen? You have plenty of counter space for meal prep, a separate coffee station with additional storage, not to mention the designer finishes like a glass backsplash, shiplap detail, and floating shelves.
And the real wow factor with this home is right here in the great room. We've got 18-foot vaulted ceilings, a beautiful wall of glass overlooking your private backyard. You've got the gas fireplace, the shiplap feature wall, all the built-ins. When it comes to entertaining, this is where it's all happening.
The main floor boasts a beautiful, spacious primary retreat that's flooded with natural light and overlooks the tree canopy. It's rounded out by a gorgeous spa-like 5-piece bathroom and a walk-in closet.
And here we are at the top of that beautifully renovated solid oak staircase in the loft area. Now this is one of my favorite locations in the home. You've got the gorgeous Juliet balcony with wrought iron spindles. It all overlooks that magnificent great room that we just showed you. Up here we've got 2 generous sized bedrooms, ideal for those overnight guests or of course the kids. You've got a full 4-piece bathroom. Again, the design elements with the wainscoting and updated vanity. And if you're looking for even more space than this, the unspoiled lower level is the perfect spot. Easily finished off with a huge rec room, gym area, additional bedrooms. You got massive above grade windows. The potential is endless down there.
Listen, can you hear that? Well, neither can I, because that's the sound of peace and quiet, and that's exactly what you have here in this backyard. You've got a tiered deck that's perfect for dining and entertaining, and it's all surrounded by mature trees, giving you a beautiful green canopy of privacy. We're the Knowles Woolsey team, and we know Horseshoe Valley. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.